What are mini dental implants? They are great alternatives to the traditional implants. When are mini dental implants used? If you have small teeth. If you need a front teeth replaced. If you need premolar replacements. If you have teeth located in a narrow space. How long do mini dental implants last? Their lifespan can vary depending on some factors like osteoporosis, smoking, alcohol abuse, lack of implant care. Am I a good candidate for mini dental implants? Visit Elite Dental to find out more.